Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce this Wi-Fi repeater. It's a long-range signal Wi-Fi booster for home. And it comes with 4 super antennas. Yeah, it's a 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz amplifier. The wireless extender with Internet and Ethernet port. Coverage up to 8,470 square feet. And it works with 99% of the Wi-Fi routers out there. And it comes by hands-on. Ooh. It has 4 high-gain antennas, and this Wi-Fi extender provides a stable high-speed connection of 300 megabits per second for happy navigation, videos, and online games. We can enjoy high-definition broadcasting, no prop. No laggy, baby. No buffered storage, and playing laggy-free, baby. Oh yeah, we does not need to become a technical expert. We simply press the WPS button on the Wi-Fi extender, and our router too easily expand the wireless coverage. And we can also choose to configure it using our phone or personal computer. You can see it's really easy to extend your Wi-Fi network. It's compatible with mobile phones, with tablets, with laptops, smart televisions, security cameras, printers, and other devices which needs a connection. We say goodbye to the Wi-Fi dead zone and enjoy a fast and stable network with our family. And it's compatible with nearly everything out there. So if you have a router, an internet router of your Wi-Fi network, you can extend your range of possibilities with that. Nice and easy going Wi-Fi range extender here. This Wi-Fi amplifier is compatible with 99% of the routers out there and devices on the market. Expand the Wi-Fi coverage of our smartphone, television, Fire Sticks, Google Chromecast, network, navigation, Alexa Echo, Ring, and. The Wi-Fi extender adopts the latest advanced security protocols. That means WPA2. And which can maximize the network security and ensure the network security too. It plays an effective role in preventing others from stealing our network data. It's protecting us important data and avoiding the Wi-Fi interferences and privacy issues. Perfect for family, company, and ongoing travel. The 5-watt is low power consumption. This saves energy and reduces the consumption to deal with the energy crisis. And it's really easy. Quick setup, baby. Really quick. We plug in the extender into a power outlet near our existing Wi-Fi router. We open the Wi-Fi setting on our mobile phone or computer. We search and connect to the repeater -XXX network. This is individual, so you have to look. This network in our wireless network list is shown and we can connect to it. If the settings page does not pop up automatically, we launch our web browser and enters the IP address 192.168.11.1 in the address bar. Then we click login. And then we can start it because option number 1 is the repeater mode. The system scans all networks. And then we click the name of the existing Wi-Fi network we want to extend. And we type our Wi-Fi password into the password box, of course, and then we click next. Then we click the finish button. Once we complete this process, our extender reboots automatically. We place the extender halfway between our Wi-Fi router and the area which the pools signal coverage. The extender's default name is Wi-Fi name and -ext, okay? The password remains the same as the existing Wi-Fi router's password. So if you are in this area, we look like to make a new coverage, we have to easily connect to the Wi-Fi router and job's done. But it's possible too. We have the AP mode too. We choose the AP mode and click the next button, okay, while we make a setup. We type our network SSID and Wi-Fi password. The password should be more than 8 digits. And we click Finish button. Once you complete the step, the extender reboots automatically after the connection to the network cable after the configuration is finished, because here is possible to use up to 2 LAN local area network cables to connect them to this Wi-Fi router extended range extender. Really cool. And of course, the easiest way to connect it to your router is push the WPS button on the extender, push the WPS button on your router, and then let them fight together. And they will after this they will give the informations about the network and so on each other, and then you are in. Oh yeah, then you can extend your Wi-Fi network. Ooh, this is the Wi-Fi range extender. This eliminates Wi-Fi dead zones. We can choose multiple working modes, the repeater mode of course, or the AP mode, and we can make it easily by using this device here. It is possible in the 5 GHz network, and of course it's possible in the 2.4 GHz network. This covers a lot of Wi-Fi standards. This is the Wi-Fi repeater by Handelsblad. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.